Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to handle this problem. For example, can you see over here? I have created this tutorial for course A KG class part 3. I have created 3 parts and I have completed almost 7 levels in 3 parts. So can you see over here? It's mentioned here 1855 means के 18 minute and 55 minute की ये वीडियो है और स्टूडेंट एंड पेरेंट्स फाइंड इट वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट कि इतने 18 मिनट की बहुत लेंथी वीडियो है तो हम कैसे देखेंगे, हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. सो आई हैव सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम. सो हाउ? So just click on this video. For example, it's 18 minutes and 55 seconds. So click on it. Now you want to learn your specific skill. Let me skip this ad. Look here. Now, so it's very lengthy video. Can you see over here? There I have created different chapters here. Chapters means I have created different chunks over here. So when you click on it, it will take you directly towards that specific level and that skill that you want to learn or your kid want to learn. So you will skip all the previous tutorials, all the previous unnecessary data that you have. For example, unnecessary, I'm saying, why I'm saying unnecessary? Because you have already learned those skills. Now you want to learn more or you want to do the puzzle again. So these are challenge questions. For example, level 11 challenge can get it all. Can you get it all? Solve the puzzle. So when you click here, it will take you directly over here in that chunk, and then you will solve that specific level 11. With the help of loops, you can create your logic here. You can do whatever you like. There are several ways to solve the problem, but here in this case you have to use that loop. Okay, now this is one way. Another way is when you click on the description, show more. Here is a description, click on show more. So I have created here different chapters over here. For example, you want to learn, you want to see that how to use repetition. I have used repetition in all my lessons, so you can click here anywhere, but using loops, repetition, block, strategy. So how to build a strategy? Just click here.
This look like it's excellent. Here is hint button as well. If you stuck, if you're not able to solve, so you need to click here and get the hint. So let me code. Can you see this?
Here you will create your logic,
just like a chart. Okay, graph paper. So 1 to 2 step towards.
Yes, you can watch it. Now I have used repetition. How to use repetition? You can watch this tutorial. Okay, now for example, now I want to jump to level 6 puzzle 2, or for example, I want to do what? Yes, level 9 challenge puzzle. Gather all the scrap metal using repeat loop. So just click here. It will take you directly over here. This is very challenging and this is very interesting.
Keep it up.
That's how you can watch the specific chunk from, or select the specific chunk from this video. Okay, that's how you can. One way is by clicking here in these chapters with description. I have mentioned each and everything with details. Okay, level 6 puzzle 2, little tricky. Can you get it all? BB8. So this is called Blockly, block-based programming language, and these all are the chapters that you can use to move to that specific skill. Okay, clear? Okay, now what else we have here? I have created different links over here. For example, you want to go to the part 1, just click here, the description. It will take you towards the part 1. Okay, now even you are having the chapters over here in this as well. So I have created 9 minutes video. So you want to learn the specific skill. For example, basic skill, learn how to do drag and drop. Just click here, it will take you.
So let me go to the lesson 2. You are not supposed to complete like that. Okay, now the first skill that we are going to learn is a drag and drop. So let's.
Yes, in this skill you will just learn drag and drop. You can even find it over here. How to log in via section code. Okay, then enter to code.org. This link is only belong to that how to log in and enter the access code. So when you click here, it will take you directly over there.
And you can use sign in code.org,
or you can Okay, we were discussing about that how to use chapters in a video to handle this longer video tutorial to make your life easy to get to the specific skill. So look here, I told you earlier about these chapters in the description box. You just click here. One way is to, by clicking here, it will take you to that specific skill. Okay, the another way is by clicking here, it will take you that specific skill.
It's all you.
Okay, now the next one, when you scroll down the description, you will find it over here. As we mentioned here in the description chapters, and you can see it over here very easily, and you can jump quickly to that specific skill. It's mentioned over here. Okay, by clicking here, it will take you to session start. Okay, then for example, when you click here, lesson 4 sequence and scroll. You want to see that how we use different blocks to create a sequence and solve the problems. So you will click on that, and for example, you want to check that lesson 5 your turn puzzle is critical thinking process. You want to solve this puzzle, so just click here, then it will take you directly over here, so that here you will find that specific skill to solve that puzzle. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask later on. So when you type in the YouTube my name Faisal Jaleel, click on search, you will find this logo Hasbunallah wa Ni'mal Wakeel, and then you need to click here, and here you will find even community tab is there. You can solve different questions, you can take quizzes. Okay, like that. Recently I've created these 3 videos for KG class, learn to code for kids part 1, course A. This is for all levels, and then this one is part 2, course A KG part 2, lesson 4 and 5 I've discussed here, and in third part I have discussed course A lesson 6, 7, and I have started 8, but in the fourth part we will work on lesson number 8. Okay, select from here,
you
session
can
start, click here.
let's start. First of all, top right corner, click on sign in code.org.
These chapters will make your life very easy. So please try this, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, now look here, I want to jump to course A part 2, lesson 4 and 5 sequence and programming with Scratch, learn to course. So just click here, it will take you directly over there. You can skip this video. This ad.
Look
here.
Everyone.
Now I want to check my specific skill in this video. Just click on show more. So I want to learn, let's say I want to do a puzzle. So puzzle is over here. So it's 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Just click here.
One level, you will see that this hollow block will fill with this green color. Okay. Now instruction algorithm. This puzzle is little tricky. Okay, fine. So let's solve this step.
Okay, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel, and if there are any suggestions, you can write in the comment box of my channel. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.